Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on face recognition and attendance system using Stimulite. We have seen a lot of videos on face recognition and attendance system and face detection using Stimulite. We have gone some videos on attendance system where we have created data set. In some videos I created the data set. So today using SQLite I decided why not create some video using data set. So face recognition using machine learning using data set. So I will go through the program. This is all about program using Flask. This is my user one. I want to create the data set of this. Now I will execute the program. Yes, fine. Yes, face recognition. I use trainer. It is creating the data set. Please be patient. Please be patient. Face recognition with using creating the data set. Here it is telling okay, yes, fine, Sanjay, yes, ta. Now I will show you. Yes, here my data set has been created. So, and here is my user, and so I successfully done with face recognition system using data set. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python with face recognition, face detection, face alignment if possible, and many more creative videos on TensorFlow, CNN, then different videos on React.js, Flask connectivity with React. I am deeply interested in such type of videos using front end and back end with face recognition, then sentiment analysis if possible. And thanks for watching and keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thank you.